Welcome to our Countertop Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular portable dishwashers, the Kappa's Portable Countertop Dishwasher and the Hava Countertop Dishwasher. Both are designed for compact living, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore what each has to offer. When it comes to price, the Kappa's Portable Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $499, making it the more expensive option compared to the Hava Countertop Dishwasher, which retails for $399. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and the features you prioritize. In terms of features, the Kappa's model offers 5 wash programs and includes a fruit basket, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. On the other hand, the Hava model boasts 6 wash programs, including a baby care setting and an air drying function, which adds to its convenience for families. These features cater to various user preferences and needs. Both dishwashers are designed for portability, but they differ in their water tank capacities. The Kappa's features a 3-cup water tank, while the Hava comes with a larger 5-liter built-in water tank, allowing for longer use without needing a refill. This can be a significant advantage for users in RVs or small apartments where water access may be limited. In conclusion, both the Kappa's and Hava countertop dishwashers offer excellent solutions for compact living. The Kappa's provides a variety of washing programs and a fruit basket, while the Hava offers a baby care program and a larger water tank. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.